You believe your doctor was careless and caused you horrendous injuries, and now you want to go ahead and bring a lawsuit against your doctor. But you've heard that to hire an attorney costs hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars an hour to pay them on an hourly basis. What do you do as an injured patient? Can you still go forward with your lawsuit if you don't have money to pay an attorney an hourly fee? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I explain to you exactly what you can do. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And the answer is, you don't have to pay an attorney anything out of your own pocket up front. You don't have to have any money to hire the best attorney you can find. You want to know why? It's because the attorneys who handle medical malpractice cases, wrongful death cases here in New York, they work on what's known as a contingency fee basis, which means most people can't afford to pay an attorney hundreds and hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars an hour to an attorney to represent them. Most people don't have that kind of money. So what happens then? Well, an attorney says, you know what, that's okay. Instead, what will happen? If you hire us, we agree to invest our time, our energy, our resources, our money to prosecute your case, and only if we are successful and get you a result and get you money as a form of compensation will we obtain our fee, and the amount of money that we recover will be a percentage of the amount we're able to get for you. That's known as a contingency fee. It also means that you don't have to take money out of your own pocket to pay your attorney for all the expenses necessary to prosecute your case. And you should know that in medical malpractice cases, those expenses are very significant. They could be in the tens of thousands of dollars. It could be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending upon the complexity of your particular case. How many experts are needed? What other information and investigation needs to be done in order to show that you are more likely right than wrong? So to answer the question, you don't have to pay a dime to the attorney up front, but if you are successful and your attorney is successful in getting you money as compensation, then all of the expenses that he laid out, all the money that he paid, which is really an interest-free loan to you to prosecute your case, now gets reimbursed to him and his firm. And now the remaining amount of money, the attorney's fee is calculated. And then of that amount of money that's left over, that is your share of the compensation that you are to receive. This way you don't have to pay an attorney an hourly fee to represent you in seeking justice for your injuries. So why do I share this with you? I share this with you to give you an insight and an understanding into how these medical malpractice cases work here in New York. You know, I recognize and I understand you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you still have questions that need answers and you have not yet started a lawsuit, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. This is something I do every day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, @ oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.